Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start now, power down and remove any battery because live power will damage components. Once done, ground yourself on an anti-static mat. You do not want a static discharge. Next, remove the back cover by unscrewing the visible Phillips screws and using a plastic spudger to pry clips. Go slowly to avoid breaking tabs. As you open, note the jack location and cable routes. This matters because you'll reverse these steps when reinstalling, so keep screws labeled and parts organized. Once the board is exposed, remove any shielding or brackets that secure the audio board. You will see whether the jack is soldered or on a small daughter board with a connector. That determines technique. If it's a connector, gently unplug it using tweezers. If soldered, heat one pad at a time with a soldering iron and use desoldering braid or a pump. Make sure you don't overheat the PCB. Keep retracted clips and solder blobs clear, so the jack detaches cleanly when you pull it free. After removal, position the replacement jack the same way the old one sat. Align pins and either solder them quickly with clean joints or reinsert the connector until it clicks. Once secure, reinstall any shielding and the screws in the labeled order, then reattach the battery and close the case. You should now test with headphones, play audio and wiggle the plug gently. Troubleshooting tip: if there's no sound, make sure the connector sits fully. Recheck soldered joints for cold joints, and verify headphone continuity with a multimeter.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.